Can you keep a cicada molt? Have you ever wondered what happens to cicadas after they transform into adults? Today, we are going to talk about cicada molting and whether you can keep a cicada molt. When cicadas grow, they go through a fascinating process called molting. This is when they shed their old exoskeleton to make way for a new one. The empty shell left behind is known as a molt. Yes, you can keep a cicada molt. Many insect enthusiasts, educators, and researchers collect these molts. They offer a unique look into the cicada's life cycle and natural behaviors. A cicada molt is fragile and hollow because the cicada has vacated it. You will often find these molts clinging to tree bark, branches, or other surfaces where the cicada completed its transformation. If you want to keep a cicada molt, handling it gently is key. The legs and wings can break easily, so be careful. To store a molt for display or study, keep it dry. A good tip is to freeze the molt for a few days before storing it. This helps eliminate any pests or mites that might be on it. For long-term preservation, you can pin the molt to a display board or place it in a clear container. When pinning, make sure to anchor the wings and body in a natural position. Avoid piercing the delicate wing membranes. Unlike live cicadas, molts do not need chemical preservation since they are already empty shells. However, storing them in a dry, pest-free environment is important for keeping them in good condition. If you come across a freshly molted cicada that is still soft, you can use more advanced preservation methods. Injecting it with ethanol or freezing it can help maintain the specimen for scientific or educational purposes. Cicada molts are not just interesting to keep, they also serve practical applications. They can be used to teach about insect growth stages and metamorphosis. Observing molts can help reptile and amphibian keepers understand the availability of cicadas as a food source. In short, keeping a cicada molt is simple. With gentle handling and proper storage, you can preserve these fascinating exoskeletons for educational, scientific, or personal interest. This practice ties into understanding insect natural behaviors, especially molting, which is a vital part of cicada development.